Hello everyone, welcome to another video from our channel. In today's video I'm going to show that how to bring the project uh, plan and AutoCAD to the origin. This is the origin of the AutoCAD, and we have to move the project to the origin of this view. So for this purpose, I'm going to show that what if we do not move the project to the origin, what will happen. For this purpose, I'd like to show you that while I am importing a, a project plan from AutoCAD to some other software such as Revit or Format or whatever or else, then if you do not move the project to the origin, then the project will be placed in some other distance far away from the origin. Sometimes it is not visible in the view of that software. So for instance, let's try our uh, project here. Let's import, go to the import locally. For instance, I'm going to upload this section to this interface. As you can see that our project has moved far distance from the origin. So in order to prevent this and in order to upload or import our project near to the origin, sometimes when the project is an AutoCAD, when it is far away from the origin, it is not visible in this interface. So it goes to some very far distances that we are not able to find that. So for that purpose, let's do it again. Let's delete it and delete it and delete it, and let's go to the AutoCAD interface. Now we are going to move uh, our project to the origin. For this purpose, what we can do that first, select all the project, make sure that all the items visible are selected, then click on the move, or you can type just MO for move, then just specify some point, and then uh, try type 0 comma 0. Yes, like that. So and enter. So as you can see that our project has been moved to the origin of this AutoCAD interface. Now save it, and let's try this again in Autodesk Format, or you can try in Autodesk Revit. So go to the import and then upload from locally and import this section to this interface. As you can see that now our project has been moved to the origin. Actually, this was not that much far distance from the origin, but in some cases our AutoCAD file could be very far from the origin. So whenever we upload that file to some software such as Format or Revit, we are not able to see, and it is going to be lost. So for that purpose, we need to move our project to the origin in AutoCAD, and then we have to import to the other. We can import to the other software such as Revit or Format. Okay, today's video is going to be ended here, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.